Hey makers, this is Thruveen and in this session I am going to talk about one interesting PowerFX formula. We will be talking about week number and ISO week number function in detail. We will be talking about the syntax as well as difference between week number versus ISO week number. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Here I am on my machine and here you can see that I have added one date picker control. Now we will be talking about two most interesting PowerFX function, which is week number and ISO week number. Most of you have already been used week number function, but you are not aware about what is ISO week number and what is the difference in between these two functions. Let's talk about that in detail over here. The main difference between week number and ISO week number function is the way it manages the first week of the year. Now, what do we mean by that? Let's try to understand that. Let's say for an example, here I have one date picker control and here you can see the date as 1st of January 2021. Now, week number function uses the week containing January 1st as the first week of the year. So, 1 and 2 will come to the first week of the year, then this is the second week of the year. Now, in case of ISO week number, it uses the week containing the first Thursday as the first week of the year. So in this case, this is the calendar and this particular week, it has the first Thursday of 2021. So this week is considered as the first week of the year, while this week is something which is not considered first week. This week number is something which ranges between 1 to 54. And this is something which ranges from 1 to 53, right? Now let's try to understand the syntax and try different example. So here I added two labels, one for week number and second one is for ISO week number. Now the syntax for week number is something like this. So here I provided the date as date pickers selected date. Right? So week number syntax is this one. Now here you can pass the second parameter as well, from which week you want your start day of the week. So I will explain it here. So week number with start of the week. So if we consider its syntax, week number then date and start of the week dot Wednesday, meaning my week will start from Wednesday over here. So this is my first week and till Tuesday it is still considered first week and from Wednesday it will consider the second week, right? So this is something which provides this flexibility. While in case of ISO week number, you do not have flexibility to add start of the week. So now here you need to add a syntax ISO week number and you need to provide simply date. And remember, ISO week number is something which consider the first Thursday as the first week of the year, right? So let's get started and taste the things. So I am selecting 1st of January 2021. So week number is 1, obviously, because week number is something which will consider 1st of January as the first week of the year, while in case of ISO week number it doesn't contain Thursday, so it is still returning me the 53 over here. And week number of the week start week, because we have set the Wednesday, so it is returning me 1 over here. Now for second as well, let's see, week number is 1, ISO week number is 53 because it still doesn't have Thursday. Now let me select Sunday. So week number converted to 2 over here because we haven't provided any start of the week. so it automatically considers Sunday as start of the week, so it considered 2 here, while still in ISO week number it is 53 because week is still not being changed and this week still doesn't has Thursday. But now when I'm selecting 4th, you can see ISO week number is 1. The reason is that this particular week has a Thursday and it is returning that value over here to me. Now let's say I'm selecting 5th over here, week number is 2, ISO week number is 1, and you can see week number with start of the week is still 1 because we said Wednesday is start of the week. Now let's select we came to the second Wednesday, then what's happened, let's see. Then week number with start of the week has been 2 because we reached to the second Wednesday of the year, right? So this is how this week number and ISO week number function will work in Power Apps. Hope this video helps you and values your time.